Hello, welcome to Answers. Website for business. In this video, we are going to see why the website is needed for the business. What are the benefits of the website? Let's see in detail. Do I need a website for my business? Well, the answer is yes. You do need a website for your business, a good one. A professionally designed, lead magnet, sales booster, brand differentiating website. Top 10 benefits of the website. 1. A website proves your brand credibility. Where is your official website? This is the first question you will hear when you tell people about your business. The truth is that people have become smart these days. They think 10 times before making any business decision. Over 30% don't even consider a business if it doesn't have any website. So, if you want people to think your business is credible, contact a custom website development company in India and have a website. 2. Businesses with a website are easily accessible. This is one of the major reasons why businesses need a website. When it comes to purchasing a product or service, most people prefer an easily accessible business and can be reached whenever they want. The main reason behind this is that a website is where they can find everything about your business, i.e., who you are, what services you sell, and how they can contact you. Also, an official website makes you available 24 times 7. As a result, they can reach out to you at any hour of the day. This gives you another reason why your business needs a custom website. The website makes it easy for consumers to reach you and buy your products or services. They can visit your website anytime and make their purchases. You can even keep track of your customers on the site. 3. A website builds a relationship. A website can help you build a strong and long lasting relationship with your clients. So, by having a website, you are establishing trust among customers and offering them an impeccable user experience. So, they stay and come back for more. This is how you score loyal customers who support you and help you grow, which is another big reason why you should contact a web design and development agency to have a website for your startup. 4. You can showcase your products, services the best way possible. Presentation plays a crucial role if you want people to buy your products or services. This is important, especially if you are a startup where every customer matters. In that case, it's also important that we can showcase our expertise in the best way possible, and having a website can help in doing that. It gives you creative freedom. You can display your services the way you want. You can use beautiful images, short video tutorials, and downloadable PDF instructions. The sky is the limit to what you can do. And do you know how all this can help? Customers get what they are looking for. So, they remain hooked and go nowhere else to purchase. This ultimately helps you in establishing a loyal customer base. 5. A website makes your brand more visible. There is a beautiful restaurant near my house. The food is awesome, the service is incredible, and the variety is so wide that you can find just about everything you want to eat. Despite this, the restaurant has very few visitors. Every time I pass by, I see only 7 to 8 people sitting there and enjoying the food. Reason? Not many people know about it. Now, not that it is the only restaurant in the city. There are several others. Some of them have even built an official website. As a result, They have been able to acquire more customers despite having average services and average quality food. That's the difference in having a website makes. The truth is that a brand without a website is nothing but a small boutique. No wonder how good products you sell, how efficient services you offer. Not many people will be able to know about it. 6. You can benefit from Google searches. Having a website can also get into Google's search listings, thus making it easy for clients to find you now. One thing you might be wondering is, how does it matter? Here is how. Back in the old days, when clients had to do business with a company, they used to do a detailed background check and contact every previous client to ask about you. Finally, only after they were sure, they moved ahead. But the times have changed. Clients have become smart. They no longer want to waste time running background checks. Instead, they prefer searching on Google. In fact, this is the very first thing they will do after they hear the name of your brand. Now, if you have a website and have done its proper SEO, it will come in the top searches of Google. Apart from this, people will also be able to find you by using other keywords related to your business. This makes you more popular among folks, and more people are willing to do business with you. 7. People still judge your credibility by looks. It's not just me. More than 75% of people have admitted that they judge a company's credibility by its website design. This means clients are more likely to do business with you if you have an interactive website that keeps them engaged, that builds an initial level of trust, and that proves you are credible. Now, if you don't have a website, clients will not even consider you in the first place, let alone trusting you and thinking that they want to do business with you. By not having a website, you would already blow your chances, so don't make a mistake of not having a website. 8. A website is an integral part of online marketing. Online marketing, on the other hand, is less expensive and more effective. It can get you more results with less hard work, and hence is a much better alternative if you want to get things done faster. Now, while online marketing can be an effective option to promote your business, it doesn't really matter if you don't have a website. 9. You can strategically target your customers through a website. Another best about having a website is that you can not only get people to visit your website, but also keep track of following key performance metrics: the number of people visiting your website, regular visitors, the number of people who have visited your website only once, unique visitors, how many times a page was read or visited by users, page views or impressions, the number of people who left without reading the page they landed on, bounce rate, for how long do people visit your website content, average time on site. All these stats can help you find out how you can strategically target your customers. You can know what kind of content users like and how you can improve the user experience so that they stay. As a result, your website will be better and more people will visit it. So, you should focus on having a good website. 10. All of your competitors are already having a website. There are already thousands of companies selling the same products and services that you are going to sell, and most of them would have also been having their own websites. If you have a website, you have a chance to research and incorporate elements that your competitors are missing. You can benefit from their weaknesses. So, having a website is much better than not having it at all. At least, you can benefit from it. How answers will help your business? Why answers? We are best in the market since 2018. We have more than 500 plus happy clients all over the world. We are budget friendly with great service delivery. We have team of experts who help your business to improve as per your budget. We are providing free support after your work is done also, that no one will offer in the market. Customer friendly, our marketing person will have smooth and friendly contact with you in order to know exactly what you expect and what exactly needs for your business. Expert team, we have team of experts who will take care of your business website. They will design and deliver premium quality website based on our clients' needs. Customization, we will customize our design and content as per client needs, and also we will take care of device optimization and SEO friendly, which helps your business to rank higher. Keywords based content, based on your business and niche, our expert team will do keyword research, and based on your business information we will create a content which helps to score good SEO score, which helps to rank your website SEO optimized. All the content used in your website will be designed and created as per SEO keywords and backlinks, which helps your business to rank in Google search. SMO optimized, we will create and integrate official business social media with proper information and keyword based contents. Digital marketing service, we are offering free digital marketing service through answers.com business listing website along with website. Through our digital marketing service, your business will reach and engage more people, which leads to sales conversion. Support, our team will be in regular touch with you even after delivery of our service. Through our marketing service and guidance, your business will perform excellent with increase in your revenue. Thanks for watching. For more details and support, click the link in the description. Our best wishes for your business.